this place, Teddy?
Yeah, this place is cool. Let's go.
Let's
go to Watershed.
What?
Hey, how are you?
Having troubles over here?
Yeah, a little bit. Can I get a basic wash?
Basic, sure
A
thing.
base wash.
Alright, it'll be $10. Is that cash or card?
Card.
Fine. Just have it down there.
Watershed Car Wash.
Did you want the receipt?
No, thanks.
Alright, you're all set.
Appreciate it, sir.
Have a good one.
You too.
Can you make a video?
All right, dude.
Can we make a video?
Yes,
Teddy?
sir.
Yep, we got it rolling.
Oh.
Where we go? Where are we at, Kaden? First off,
Watershed Car
Watershed Car Wash. In what town?
Wash.
The Bronzeville,
The car sound difficult.
Texas.
It's a green clean at Watershed.
Ooh, dude, this tunnel looks great.
It's a green clean at Watershed. Watershed. Where we at, Daddy?
We are at
Car wash.
Car Wash, Watershed Car Wash.
Car
Here we go.
Whoa!
Ooh, dude, they got some cool soap.
Green
wash.
soap.
Green clean.
Green, clean.
Nice.
Can you put this in neutral?
Yeah, there. All right. Here we go, Katie.
Make a video, Daddy.
Let's go to the green.
Here we
Green,
go.
clean.
Whoa.
Green, clean for us. All right.
Wow.
Wow, dude.
Car wash. Car wash.
What's up, Bryce?
Ah. Right.
Here come the brushes. Here it comes. Spot free rinse. All right. Thanks, Watershed Car Wash.
We gotta get going. So